Keter Folding Compact Adjustable Workbench Sawhorse Work Table with Clamps 700 pounds capacity. Busy hobbyists, construction workers and DIY enthusiasts need a sturdy work surface that can stand up to a variety of demanding tasks. If you're looking for a folding workbench that goes where you need it, when you need it, try the Keter Folding Worktable X. Constructed from sturdy polypropylene resin and supported by rugged aluminum legs, this reliable table has the features you need to get your work done no matter where a job takes you. Having a portable workbench on hand means that you can go from your garage to a worksite to a campsite and back again without having to leave your tools behind. Keter's table unfolds in 30 seconds to provide you with quick access to a large work surface with a shelf underneath that you can keep your toolbox close at hand while you work. The polypropylene resin construction of this plastic workbench means that it can stand up to just about any job. Don't let its compact size deceive you. The Folding Worktable X can hold up to 700 pounds of material, tools and accessories. This means you can use it as a sawhorse for sawing by hand or as a miter saw stand for bigger projects. The easy addition of two 12-inch holding clamps keep wood steady to ensure precise cuts every time. If you need to place the table at a different height, simply extend the legs up to 4 inches more to get a better angle on your project. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Aluminum legs extend from 30.3 height to 34.2 height, giving you 4 extra inches. Number 2. The quick opening system allows for a 30-second setup. Number 3. Sturdy carrying handle and foldaway design for easy transport. Number 4. Includes 2 adjustable holding clamps. Number 5. Durable resin construction, holds up to 700 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.